Welcome to my channel, exploring old technologies and seeding new ideas. Let's begin. This is my first in a series of garden tool videos, introducing our new ergonomic kneeler and seat. A must if you spend any time seeding, weeding, or caring for plants. This Sudex product assembled quite easily from the provided instructions. It came with a set of tool bags and seat organizer. Using the handy latch, the legs folded out and secured into position. The polyester pads act as a comfortable kneeling surface as well as a sturdy chair bottom. The unit sides provided sturdy handholds while kneeling, as well as tool bag supports. And flipping the unit over, it becomes a seat. When you are done for the day, using the handy latches, the unit can be quickly flattened and stowed. We are looking forward to next spring to try it out. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be looking forward to preparing another one for you soon.